The bridge work this month, very simple, just doing prone bridge and supine bridge, just static. Now you can make it easier and harder. Key thing I want you to focus on is your breathing, keeping that nice and smooth and really feeling the deeper fibers through the core working and that low level response, keeping the spine nice and long. You can make that harder by coming to the toes, or you can work on your toe point, keeping the heels together, or you can lengthen that out. Don't be in a rush to make it harder though. I'm trying to keep it fairly neutral rather than a hollow shape. Just work on trying to get that nice conditioning through there. If you find that you're fatiguing too early, especially if you're doing 3 sets, you're not going to get the fibre recruitment that you're after. So you're really trying to get those slow twitch fibres with the core work. If you're doing too hard a version and you're kind of maxing out and not being able to get through the full minute, then you're not going to condition the fibres that you need for more a stability base to cross over to all of your training. So here, when we're doing a supine bridge, you can have the arms up, out a little bit if you like. Start with an easier version, showing the shoulders up. Then you can lengthen that lever, have your legs further out, and then making sure that you're keeping the whole posterior chain on. The tendency when you do the straight leg version with people is to end up overusing the hamstring or the lower back. You want to try and keep the glutes active throughout. It's a little bit harder, but it's worthwhile. It's always good to have good glute control. So working those minute front back, 3 sets, 6 minutes. Easy, simple, get it done.